G'day guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are talking about 21s and how 21s isn't just designed for one single exercise. So the most popular way people do that is with their biceps. However, you can adopt this technique into just about every exercise there is out there, whether it be squats, whether it be, well, I probably wouldn't advise deads, but deads, yes, whether it be your hamstring curls, leg extensions, absolutely everything. You can adopt this this principle to these type of exercises and use it as a good little overload, good little metabolic burn, a good little finisher. Okay, so let's talk about the fundamental of the 21s. Essentially what they are looking to do is that if you have a full range of motion, say for example with the bicep curl, the full range of motion is go all the way down, all the way up. Okay, what they're going to get you to do is 7 partials at say the bottom to halfway, 7 partials from the top down, and then we are going to execute 7 full range. Now again, 21 seems to be the popular number, 7, 7, 7, but you could do 10, 10, 10, you can do 15, 15, 15, whatever reps you want to put towards this, but you can use this type of technique in order to get yourself a metabolic burn. Understand this, because of just the large amounts of reps, I would strongly suggest that you maybe back the weight off a little bit, concentrate on execution and get the most out of it. Remember our acronym STEP, where we create stability, we create tension, then we execute. So our first rep should look exactly like our last rep, and then we track our performance. Again, because we are going the higher rep range, back off the weights, pump it out, make sure you're executing correctly, and then yeah. So let's talk about the partial reps. So for example, like I said, with the bicep curl, the first 7 partials might be from the 180 degree mark to halfway, which would be about a 90. So we are working in this range here. So 7, okay. Then once you hit your 7th, come all the way up. Let's just say this is 0 degrees. Obviously it's not 0 degrees, but let's just say for argument's sake it is 0 to 90 degrees and back up and down like so. Okay, and then your last 7 is the full range. So we're going all the way up, all the way down, and just really grinding those last few reps out and to get that metabolic burn. Now, where else could we make this applicable to? Well, we could do it for a hamstring curl, for example. So we could do 7 to say halfway, come all the way up, 7 down, okay, and then we can go all the way down, all the way up for 7. You could do the exact same just on your quads. So you can start at full, fully extension? No. Anyway, whatever. You can start in this position here, you go to halfway, and then you can come all the way up and hold and down to halfway, and then you can go all the way up, all the way down. You can, like I said, you can use this for everything. Your shoulders, you can do partial reps to here, 7, you can come all the way up, hold, and if you've got the strength, go 7 like so, and then all the way down, all the way up. Again, this is a case of your imagination. Could you do it reps of 5? Absolutely. Again, the 21s just seems to be the popular choice of number. I've got actually absolutely no idea why, but 777 seems to be their lucky number. Or no, 666 is the devil's number. Never mind, scratch that. So yeah, so team, that there is how you can adopt this philosophy of 21s into just about any different exercise. Don't be limited to just your bicep curls. When it comes to 21s, you can use this for just about everything. Let it be known, squats are a killer to do this. Popping out of the bottom of the hole to halfway, back down for 7, and coming all the way up, all the way down. That is an absolute leg burner if I ever did one. Team, that there is the 21s philosophy. Hope you liked it.